Hey everybody, G Jackson here and welcome to my channel. Today's video features a Hobby Lobby haul. Yes, I was there the other day and I had to take advantage of the 66% that they have off on all their Christmas items right now. So I want you guys to see what I got and let's get started with the video. So my first items are these chalk markers. They were $2.99. The second item that you see here is the nativity scene. This is something that I have wanted for quite some time. And my next item, which is the snowballs here. This is something that I wanted for a while too, and I am happy to have it to add to my decor. And here is a beautiful throw, which I ended up getting from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to use this for placing it underneath my tree as a skirt. And this is how the throw looks once I took it apart. This throw is approximately 4 by 5. Here is the second throw that I ended up seeing once I was in the store. And of course, I knew exactly what I was going to do with this too. Of course, I'm just going to use this as extra decor for around in my living room. We love using throws like this when we want to cozy up for the winter. And here is the second throw, which is also approximately 4 by 5. And this beautiful Baby It's Cold Outside snowflake frame is beautiful for my theme in my decor for right now. So this frame here is 16.5 by 19, so it's a pretty nice size. Beautiful. So I loved getting this ladder here. I should have gotten 2. I really regret that I didn't get the other one. So be sure to check into your Hobby Lobby to see what the latest things are or what they have that's left for Christmas. You may want to get some last minute Christmas decorations. I know, like I said, that it's only a week today before Christmas, but it may be some items that you can still get. And they are marking down Christmas items as we speak. So they may have even 75%. Who knows? Hobby Lobby is good with marking down things and people being able to take advantage of all the things that they have available. So probably the day after Christmas, it'll be 75, 80% off, and people will be flocking to Hobby Lobby. I know I will. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.